have this. I need to do this.
Candy has found a plant she likes.
I have this plant and I have a hanging basket. So now I just need to...
Oh, this is like the one we have on the patio.
Yeah.
Awesome. We are here at Eureka Springs. We've actually never been here before. There are several trails around where we live, Alderman Ford, Lettuce Lake Park, Hillsborough River State Park, several others. And this, called Eureka, we've never been here before, so we just looked up some places, you know, walking near you on Google, and we came across this. So here we are. We're going to take you along for the cool little journey here. Clip about Eureka Springs Park. Through the generosity of Albert Greenburg, this parkland with its unique natural beauties is his gift to the public so that others may share the joys of nature which he has known. It's awesome. This gift is entrusted to the County of Hillsborough and is to remain perpetually as a public park. I don't know if this is an actual grave, but this is John Evanoff, 1881 to 1963. First gardener at Eureka Springs. David Mazur, 1921 to 1969. Second gardener at Eureka Springs. What's cool is there are a lot of cool little benches all over the park and throughout the trails, so you can just kind of sit here. Really cool scenery, and of course have a snack. I don't have any snacks. Candy has all those, so we've got to catch up to her. I had to turn around on the boardwalk here because I lost Candy. We must find her. Actually, she's still back with the flowers, and I kind of assumed that. I should have listened to that intuition there, but we're going back to get her. Okay, we found her. You stayed in the greenhouse, babe, for a little while, looking at all the plants.
I was looking at all the plants and all the pretty flowers.
There's some really cool stuff in there. So we are going to continue on the boardwalk path now. This place is pretty cool.
Ooh, it's chilly.
It's very chilly. So we're done with the boardwalk. which was a really cool little walk. But we're not done yet, though. We're going to go back to the flower area. We didn't take our YouTube thumbnail for this video yet, so we're going to do that by that cool area over there. So, and we're going to show you some other nice stuff over there. I kind of rushed through that. I want to go back and see some of the other flowers. Candy's definitely getting some more ideas of what she would like to see around our home. Again, I lie. Oh, almonds. Now you could picnic out here. They've got a little grill set up. There's a room there. I guess they have like maybe some private events or something like that. They also have bathrooms inside as well. So really nice place. I mean, everything is kept up really well and it's just maintained. So, you know, again, just a beautiful place to come take a morning stroll.
I have this one. I have that one.
Yeah, this is really pretty.
I need to know what these flowers are. They are so pretty. Okay, so we have this plant, but I'm noticing that they've planted it in the shade. So it's a shade plant. And I can put it in our hanging basket that I haven't used yet. And we can hang it on the patio. This is so pretty. So now I know what to do with it.
That would be nice by the pool.
Yeah. We planted this in the sun. Oh my gosh, I need to get this. I need to go to
That one looks cool.
garden center and get some plants for the season.
This is interesting. Dwarf Power Puff. That sounds like it might be a really good cereal.
So I've seen these being sold at the little Young Texas on the corner there on Parsons, but they're in a pot. But these are in the water. So I'm confused. Can they be both?
This is a Vietnamese gardenia. It smells good.
I want one of these.
These smell really good.